Up to this point, we have made it possible to create a schedule by registering the scheduling requirements related to beverage production. In other words, as work instructions can be created, let's look at a series of operation cycles. Schedules are created while reflecting the results from the production site, as new orders are being added on a daily basis. First, because a rush order came in, let's register it and execute rescheduling. We need to produce 1,000 bottles of Orange 350 by February 7th. As rush orders are due earlier than other orders, we will register this order as a high priority. We confirm the production plan for today, February 3rd, and schedule manufacturing from the next day. The rush order is the order with the red bar. This indicates that production for this order will be done by interrupting other operations. In the order table, we can check the margin of time and the due date response for the rush order. To check this graphically, let's use the pegged order Gantt chart. This completes the creation of a plan that can be given as an instruction to the production site. The next day, the results from the production site come in. The results are usually automatically imported from the main system. However, in order to understand the mechanism, let's perform manual input here. Let's advance the scheduling basis time to February 4th and register the results for the previous day, February 3rd. We input the reported quantities for the operations of the previous day in the operation table. The bar of the operations whose results have been input appears shaded. The shading indicates the progress rate, allowing the results to be grasped visually also. After entering the results, let's execute rescheduling and check that the progress is reflected. Since Filler 02 operation was not yet started, it was pushed forward toward the future from February 3rd to February 4th. In addition to such order additions and results, equipment maintenance and failures may also occur. Equipment failures can be taken into account in the schedule by changing the calendar. Let's change the calendar on the resource Gantt chart. Select February 4th to February 5th for Filler 02 and select Stop for the shift. Since there is no more work time for February 4th and February 5th, when we schedule, assignment is done to February 6th and later. The period with no more work time can be grasped easily by adding a label. Labels are also effective for posting notices.